Perfect.
Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my very first makeup tutorial of 2019. I'm sitting outside. It is a very nice sunny windy day and I just installed these crochet braids and I was about to make a video for that. That's a different story. So today I thought I would make a video really for girls with natural hair and a makeup look that would match that aura, you know what I mean? Something that looks very natural, is very simple, very minimal and all of that, and with common products that anybody can find. So that's what this video is going to be about today. I'm a little distracted because it's very windy and I feel like any second or the camera will turn over, but I just thought I wanted to film outside today, so I'm gonna see how well this works out. But yeah, so I don't want to make this video too long. This video is going to be very short, but I did want it to be something that I could talk through with you guys. So I'm going to see how best I can talk through the tutorial because you guys like the talk throughs when it comes down to makeup. So I'm going to see how best I can do that. But yeah, let's get started. Sorry me I say so much guys. I'm outside. Everybody can see me looking crazy filming, talking to a camera. But I wanted to do more out of the box things this year. So wanted to take you guys in natural light so you could see exactly how it looks in person, you know what I mean, outside, because that's the real teller of how a makeup look looks. I mean, it might look good with the ring light and the thing, but outside, that's what really tells. Y'all already know what to do. Before we get into the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, alright? Smash that subscribe button if you have not hit it as yet, and we're just gonna get right into the tutorial. Yes, baby. Get up. Alright guys, first things first, as usual, we're going to be working on our brows just because it's the easiest to do. I don't want to do a lot, so I'm just going to be filling in with a eyebrow pencil. Literally your favorite one is just fine. I'm using the Black Up waterproof eyebrow pencil. I'm using the Black Up waterproof eyebrow pencil in dark brown, I believe. So I'm just going to use that to fill in my brows. And you don't want to make them too dark because it will be a very minimalistic look. So just focus on the arch part of your brows. And I'm lightly pressing on the pencil. I'm not pressing hard at all. Always go back in and blend it out. Then I'm just going to use some concealer to clean up underneath my brows. I'm going to save the top this time around because it's harder to blend that out when you do go ahead and put concealer up there. So I'm just going to save that part for my foundation. And whatever is left, you just put on your lids to just brighten them up a little bit. So for this look, I'm only really going to be focusing on 4 things: skin, lashes, brows, and lips. That's it. I'm not going to be doing the whole highlight, contour, all of that. So next I'm going to be applying my foundation. One of the foundations that I've really been loving is the Jordana 2-in-1 Complete Cover. When you're not going to be doing something that's like a full face, this is a good product to use because you won't necessarily need to pile on because it's a 2-in-1. It's very thick. So I'm just going to be using, this is shade 11 Golden Toffee. That's my shade. Number 12 is really for dark skin and it has a red undertone, but this has a perfect undertone for my skin. So I'm just going to put this on, but I left the sponge inside, so I'm going to go get the sponge that I'm going to be using and come back. Alright guys, so this is the sponge. You can get these at your regular cosmetics store. I'm just going to squeeze out some of the foundation and put it on the back of my hand. Not a lot, because you don't need a lot. And I'm going to be using the sponge to apply this to my face. And I love these because they have the pointy part that you can use to get up under your eye. This is the one thing I really do not miss about sponges. The arm work, I hate it. Because I'm pretty lazy. Don't like having to do too much. And it makes you use way more product though, but it will give you a lighter finish, somewhat of a lighter finish. Never forget under your neck, especially if you're using something that is full coverage, because the difference will definitely show. So try to carry it down as much as you can. Keep in mind when you're getting dressed, if you have not already gotten dressed. I love the work that the sponge does. It doesn't make anything feel cakey at all. So I'm gonna go in back with some of the concealer, and I'm trying to minimize like my brush work. I'm just gonna put some of this like right under my eyes to brighten it up a little bit. And a little to my nose. It's an everyday look, you don't necessarily need all of that, but setting underneath my eyes and my highlighted points with the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. You guys know, I talk about this all the time, and I always say you guys know, but you do know, alright? Because this powder is really, really good. And you can really use whichever powder you want. That part is totally up to you. I'm also putting it on my eyes because it will help with creasing and stuff, because I will not be using any eyeshadows. It kind of helps to set your eye area. Using a fluffy brush to just dust all of that away. I'm gonna go in and set my face as well. This is the Milani, Shine Proof Powder, and this is in the shade 8, which is medium deep. Alright guys, this is the brush that I normally contour with. I'm just going to do a little, it has on a little bit of blush. That's all it has on. And I'm guessing this is optional, you do not have to do this, but it's just going to add a little bit of color back to your face. You guys can see the difference. And I'm going to use my finger just to add my highlights, and this is the Golden Light Spotlight Eye and Face Stroke Palette from Milani. I'm using the gold one, the gold shade, with my finger just to highlight my face. And I don't know, I just feel like a highlighter is an everyday type of thing now. It's not something that you do just when you're getting glammed up. I feel like it's suitable for everyday wear. Putting a little bit of the champagne color on my lids. You don't have to do that, but it does make a big difference. To my cheeks as well. Your finger does tend to apply this heavily, so just be careful, especially to the cheek part of your face. go back with my powder brush just to blend all of that in. Alright guys, mascara and lips, and then we are done. I'm using the Sleek No Makeup and Conditioner Mascara. No eyeliner or nothing like that, just this. And for everyday look, I know a lot of persons don't think so, but you can get popping lashes. Oh my god guys, it's so windy. I hope you guys can hear me. But you can get popping lashes. All you have to do is just apply your mascara in layers. And I'm outside and it's windy, so that's perfect. For my lips, I'm only using one product, and that is the lip gloss from SNS Cosmetics called Cassie. I'm just applying some of that. It has a tint of color, so it's perfect to be worn by itself. Alright guys, so my camera battery died, but basically I just wanted to film this part with my phone to show you guys how it came out. This is how it looks, nice, glowy, minimal, you know, just really just not doing too much. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out the hair tutorial, I'm gonna have it linked in the iCards as well as down below in the description bar. Do not forget to go down in the description bar and follow me on my social media sites and everything. Drop me a comment down below as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.